Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best epoxy resin is probably one of the most versatile and exciting mediums for crafters today, allowing you to create stunning, durable, and personalized tumblers that truly stand out. Whether you're a seasoned artist looking to elevate your game or a beginner eager to dive into the world of resin art, choosing the right epoxy resin is crucial for achieving that flawless, glossy finish and ensuring your creations are both beautiful and long-lasting. This guide will help you navigate the options and find the perfect resin to bring your tumbler designs to life with vibrant colors and a professional touch. Number 5. JANCHUN Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit 32 ounces. Introducing the JANCHUN Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Achieve a flawless, bubble-free finish with our easy-to-use formula, perfect for all your creative projects. Everything you need is in one box. This complete starter kit includes resin, hardener, mixing tools, and protective gear, making it ideal for beginners and experienced crafters. Our advanced anti-UV formula ensures a glass-like, transparent luster that resists yellowing for up to 5 years. Your creations will stay looking new and vibrant. Experience effortless application with its self-leveling properties. This feature helps eliminate bubbles and imperfections, resulting in a smooth, mirror-like surface every time. Demold in as little as 8 hours and achieve a full cure in 24 hours. This rapid curing time allows you to complete your projects more efficiently and bring your ideas to life faster. Simply mix 1 part resin with 1 part hardener. You'll have a generous 45 minutes of working time to add colors, glitters, or inks and perfect your designs. We stand by the reliable quality of our product, backed by rigorous testing. Plus, our dedicated 24/7 customer support is always available to assist you with any questions or project needs. What we like? This kit comes with absolutely everything you need to get started, making it perfect for beginners. Its advanced anti-UV formula ensures your creations stay crystal clear for years. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-in-one solution to jump right into your resin projects, this is the one for you. What people say. This epoxy resin is specifically designed for tumblers, offering a crystal clear finish that enhances the look of your designs. It cures to a hard, durable surface that resists scratching and yellowing, ensuring your tumblers maintain their professional appearance over time. The self-leveling properties make it easy to achieve a smooth, glass-like coating without bubbles, even for beginners. Number 4. JANCHUN Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit 16 ounces. Achieve a flawless, glass-like finish with our advanced formula. It's designed to be bubble-free and self-leveling for a perfect result every time. Our resin features an anti-UV formula that resists yellowing, keeping your creations looking new for years. Enjoy a durable, transparent luster that stands the test of time. Everything you need is in the box. This kit comes with all the essential accessories, making it perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. From intricate jewelry to stunning tabletops, this epoxy resin is incredibly versatile. Its self-leveling properties make it ideal for any creative endeavor. Mixing is simple with a 1:1 ratio of resin to hardener. You'll have a generous 45-minute working time to bring your artistic vision to life. Experience professional-grade results with our rigorously tested epoxy. We ensure consistent performance for all your crafting needs. We're here to help every step of the way. Our dedicated support team is available 24/7 to answer your questions and assist with your projects. What we like? This offers professional-grade versatility, handling everything from intricate jewelry to large tabletops with ease. Its self-leveling and bubble-free properties guarantee a flawless finish every time. If you need a reliable resin that adapts to a wide range of projects and delivers a professional look, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This epoxy resin is crystal clear and cures to a hard, durable finish. It has a low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level without bubbles. The UV resistance prevents yellowing over time, keeping tumblers looking vibrant. Number 3. Craft Resin 34-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with our premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. It's popular for a wide range of DIY art projects. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula releases air bubbles automatically. Achieve a smooth, clear finish every time, especially when poured at the recommended depth. Our epoxy is made with low-odor, non-toxic materials, and is free of VOCs. It's perfectly formulated for both home and professional use, being harmless to you and the environment. It only takes 24 hours for our crystal epoxy resin to cure, becoming rock-hard and scratch-resistant. It's also resistant to heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a long-lasting, glassy smooth finish. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need to upgrade your resin game and elevate your art. What we like. This option is certified food safe, making it ideal for projects that come into contact with edibles. It's also UV resistant and has a low viscosity for easy application. If you're creating tumblers, coasters, or any items where safety and a smooth, durable finish are paramount, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This epoxy resin is crystal clear and has a very low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level. It cures to a hard, durable finish with excellent scratch and UV resistance, perfect for protecting tumblers. The bubble-free formula significantly reduces the need for torching or heat gun, saving time and effort. Number 2. Let's Resin 80-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Get started with your DIY and craft projects with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. Achieve a flawless, crystal clear finish with our advanced formula. Bubbles disappear on their own within an hour, saving you time and effort. This clear resin mixes perfectly with pigments, creating stunning, long-lasting art without yellowing. It's ideal for jewelry, coasters, tumblers, and more. Our product is made from safe, premium materials with low odor. Simply mix the resin and hardener in a 1:1 ratio for easy application. For optimal curing, especially in cold weather, warm the resin and your workspace. Always read the manual and test a small amount first. Create beautiful, unique gifts for any occasion. This versatile kit allows you to make thoughtful presents for holidays, birthdays, and more. What we like. This kit is a fantastic value, coming with vibrant mica powders and a large silicone cup to get you started with color. Its bubble-free formulation means less work for you and a smoother finish. If you're a beginner who wants to experiment with color and needs a comprehensive starter package, this is a great pick. What people say. This epoxy resin is perfect for tumblers, it cures crystal clear and is very durable. The self-leveling properties of this resin make it incredibly easy to use for tumbler projects, resulting in a smooth, glass-like finish. I love how this epoxy resin doesn't yellow over time, keeping my tumblers looking vibrant and new. Number 1. BGick Rechargeable Resin Mixer. Tired of wrist strain and wasted time? This handheld mixer offers precise speed control, ensuring smooth mixing without introducing excess bubbles into your resin. Featuring an upgraded high-torque motor, it handles even viscous resins with ease. With forward and reverse modes, it adapts to all your mixing requirements. This tool is powered by a long-lasting 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery. Simply charge it via the included USB cable for hours of cordless operation. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the 4 reusable mixing paddles. They can be easily wiped down or cleaned with warm water after use. Your purchase includes the rechargeable mixer, 4 mixing paddles, a USB charging cable, and an instruction manual, so you can start creating right away. What we like. This is an upgraded handheld rechargeable mixer designed to save your wrists and time. Its design minimizes bubbles, and the high-torque motor handles viscous resin with ease. If you're tired of manual stirring and want a tool that ensures a smooth, bubble-free mix for your resin projects, this electric mixer is a game-changer. What people say. This epoxy resin cures crystal clear and is very easy to use. The self-leveling properties make it perfect for tumblers, resulting in a smooth, glass-like finish. It has a low viscosity, which helps to minimize bubbles and makes it great for coating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.